In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on 1688 with Alipay. We'll start inside the 1688 app, log into your account, and if the interface appears in Chinese, switch the language if your app version offers it. Some users rely on the built-in translation option or their device's translation tools, which can make product pages and checkout screens much easier to follow. Next, pick a product that supports direct payment. Open the listing and make sure the price is clearly displayed, the minimum order quantity is shown, and most importantly, the buy or place order button is active. If the page tells you to contact the supplier only, that usually means direct checkout isn't enabled for that item, and you'll want to clarify with the seller before proceeding. Before you pay, message the supplier. This quick step helps avoid surprises. Confirm the exact product details, the final price for your quantity, the minimum order quantity, whether the item is in stock, and what shipping options they offer. You can simply ask, "Can I place the order directly on 1688?" Sellers are used to this question and will tell you if direct payment is available or if they need to adjust the listing for your order. When everything looks good, place the order, select the quantity, color, size, and any other variations, tap Buy Now or the Order button, and review the order summary carefully to ensure it matches what you discussed with the seller. Add your shipping address. Most buyers use a China-based forwarding warehouse address, which lets you consolidate purchases from multiple sellers and then ship them together internationally. Enter the address exactly as your forwarder provides it. If the seller supports shipping to your country directly, you can add your international address instead, but confirm the shipping method and costs with the supplier first. Choose your payment method. On 1688, Alipay is the standard. You can pay with your Alipay balance or a bank card linked to Alipay. Some listings may also accept a credit or debit card through the Alipay checkout flow, though availability varies by seller. Note that WeChat Pay is typically not supported for 1688 orders. To complete payment, confirm the total amount, including any domestic shipping shown at checkout. Authorize the payment within Alipay, follow the prompts to verify, and wait for the success message. You'll see a confirmation in the 1688 app, and your order status will change to paid. Keep the order and Alipay transaction details for your records, and monitor the order page for shipping updates from the supplier. That's it. Your order is officially placed using Alipay on 1688.